Annyeonghaseyo, Kinshin. Good morning.
Annyeonghaseyo, good morning.
So, this is your second day to receive your 50 pesos from Chocominim. Here are your 50 pesos.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Study hard ha. Sige, giskwila ha. Okay. Sige na. Okay na, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, good morning, Kinshin.
Annyeonghaseyo, good morning.
So, this is your third day to receive your 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Squilag tarong. Okay, sige na. Annyeonghaseyo, good morning, Kinshin.
Annyeonghaseyo, good morning.
So, this is your fourth day. Ikaapat na rin kadlaw that you will receive your 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye, squilag tarong. Amping sa pagbiyahe ninyo. Sige na. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So, annyeonghaseyo, good morning, Kinshin.
Annyeonghaseyo, good morning.
So, this is your fifth day. Ikalima ni mga kadlaw that you will receive 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida. So, why klase karon no? Sa imong gibuhat?
Buga ka.
Nagbugag ka, hoy. Okay. So, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Kinshin.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, this is your... Ikaanam na nino? So, this is your sixth day that you will receive 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, nami.
Annyeonghaseyo, sir.
Okay, so that's congrats ako ano. How are you? Kira karon? Ang school. Kira sad. Okay, so how about sa mga kuan? Sa mga school supplies? Kuwang pa yung mga school supplies? Okay, so basta nakakuan ni karon sa mo ha? So dapat kani siya kung hatag karon kung wala ka pa imong ano school supplies unsa pa sa sapatos nimo ngano man mo sapatos
Hindi na ako masigo.
ha
Hindi na ako masigo.
dili na masigo. So this one it's from Nontorongnim. 1,000 pesos for you.
Nontorongnim, kamsahamnida.
Ano mi, study hard, okay? Ayaw pag-absent sa school, ha? Then, sa kanang kuan. Kanang unsay mo mga ni, kanang kuan ba sinara ang study room, okay? Then, use that money for you. Sa good, okay? Ayaw pag-kuan. Okay? Study hard, enemy.
Bye. Samida.
Okay, kamsahamnida nung turongnim.
I'm Chandria Enmida. Dongjunim kamsahamnida for school uniform, 2 sets.
Annyeonghaseyo, Angel. So, Angel, how are you? So, you just went from school. What time is your school? Time. When you go to school and you go home. You go to school at 7 and you go home at 3? At 4. Okay. So you're now in grade
6.
You're grade 6. Okay. I thought you're in grade 5. So, how do you feel at school? Are you happy, excited, or what?
I'm happy.
You're really happy, so it's nice to know. So, Angel, Big Chorilim gave you 500 pesos for your school supply.
Ang username, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So today, Koreng Dinim gave us 100 pieces of shakoy and some drinks for snacks in our study room during our class. So, Koreng Dinim, kamsahamnida. So, everyone, get your drinks and your Fall in line, before you get your drinks, be. Be, fall in line. So, fall in line, everyone. Get your drinks. Get your drinks. And your shampoo. You can get 3 pieces of shampoo. Say konbanto.
감사합니다.
Get your drinks and 3 pieces of shampoo.
감사합니다.
Get your drinks and 3 pieces of shampoo.
감사합니다.
Drinks. After everyone received their snacks, we will gonna stand up and say thank you to Angelina. You say ano pa? So, enjoy?
Yes.
Enjoy?
Yes.
Enjoy?
Yes.
How about you?
Yes.
How about you?
Yes.
How about you?
Of course.
So, did everyone enjoy their snacks?
Yes.
What can you say to Corindanin?
Rendinim 감사합니다. Bye bye.
How do you feel after you received the snacks?
It's so good.
So, this is the level 2. So everyone, what can you say to Corindanin?
rendinim 감사합니다.
Go eat your snacks now. Okay, be seated everyone. So, how do you feel after receiving the shakoy? How do you feel, Dai? Both you, and you, and you. So, everyone must be very, very thankful receiving their snacks. Eat well, everyone. Kaon daghan. So what can you say to Corindanim for his kindness giving us these? Next, level 3.
We're in the name from